As you can see, there are two medallions. This is the symbol of wind, light, joy. I wish I could hear.
Humble.
You all failed in the moving target challenge. You abandoned what you were taught. Settled back into bad habits. It was very discouraging for all of us.
31.